How to remove guests from a Google Calendar event. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to clean up your event and remove unwanted guests from a Google Calendar, here's how you do it. First of all, launch Open Google Calendar app on your mobile device, or you can also open it up on your desktop and log in. Once you're logged into your Google Calendar homepage, go ahead and open up an existing event you want to delete guests from. After opening up the info section of the meeting, go to the top right corner and tap on the pencil icon. Right next to this To Human button over here, you'll be able to see your guest list. Tap on the option to open up the event guest page from where you can remove guests. To remove a guest, tap on the cross icon right next to one of your guests and click on Done at the top right corner. Repeat this step for every other guest you'd like to remove from your event. Removed guests will no longer have access to the event details. Finally, after you are done with it, click Save at the top right corner and you have successfully deleted unwanted guests from your Google Calendar event. The event is now updated and organized just the way you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.